Hey second graders, if you're watching this video, you're in the blue group. I have an activity for you for subtracting across zeros. Everything you need should be by the QR code, but real quick, you're going to need one spinner, one dice, piece of paper, and a pencil. Everybody should have their own paper and their own pencil, but you're working in partners, so you're going to share a spinner and share a dice. So, we talked about subtracting across zeros today. So where do we start? Think about where we start. We start in the ones place, right? So if we cannot subtract in the ones place and there are no tens to subtract from either, we automatically move to the hundreds. We're going to regroup 100 as 10 tens and then regroup 110 as 10 ones. So as an example, do you have a pen and a piece of paper? Can I have a piece of paper? Just a second. I don't have all my supplies together. This is why you guys are supposed to get all your stuff together before you start. Okay, so if I have 400 minus 234, like this, and it's written horizontally, first step is to write it vertically. So it goes from this to this, and then once we've rewritten it vertically, we always start in the ones place, right? But if I have 0 M&Ms, I can't eat 4 M&Ms, right? So then I go to my tens place. Well, I can't do anything there either because I have 0. So I'm relying on my hundreds place. Okay, good. I have a 4 there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out my 4 and I'm going to make it a 3. See that? And my 0 here is going to become a 10. So remember we talked about we're going to write the numbers next to it. So it's hard to see, but this is a 10 now. But I need to start in my ones, so I'm not done regrouping yet. So what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to cross out that 10, right? And that is going to become a 9. Now I should have 10 in the ones place. Everyone see that? So now if I have 10 M&Ms, can I eat 4 of them? Yeah. So how many left does that give me? I should have 6 left. And then in the tens place, if I have 9 M&Ms and I eat 3 of them, again, I have 6. And finally the hundreds. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 400 minus 234 is 166. Okay, so that is what you guys are going to be doing. And how you're going to do it is you're going to spin your spinner, okay, and you're going to write down the number that you get, and that is going to be your 100. So let's say I spin my spinner and I get a 3. My number is going to be 300. Okay, the next person is going to roll the number cube 3 times, the dice, 3 times, and that is going to be your second number. So I roll, I got a 2, I roll, I got a 4, I roll, I got a 6. Okay, so your hundreds number is always going to go on the top for this activity, always on the top, and your other number is going to go on the bottom, and you're going to subtract. Okay, so whoever spins the spinner, your 100 number goes on the top. Whoever rolls the dice, it goes on the bottom. Again, I'll say it again. If you're the spinner, you spin 1 time, and that number becomes that 100. So if you get a 4, you have 400. If you get a 6, you get 600. The person that has the dice, you are going to roll 3 times, and that will be your 3-digit number. Okay? Everyone should have their own piece of paper. Everyone should have their own pencil because I need to see that you've been working. This will be your grade for today. Good luck and have fun. And if you have any questions, just look for me or Mr. Fuller.